Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, May 16th, and today I have a reset and extras from a previous line of fabric that we've shown you. So this is Color Collage. This is the quilt, and we are in process for making more kits for this beautiful quilt because we just got more of the fabric in. And the fabric is really, really exciting. So I want you to come over and take a look. This is the first piece that I want to share with you that is new. So it is selvage to selvage changes colors. So one selvage end is purple and then it goes all the way through the rainbow. And then the other selvage end is pink. So lots of really fun options for I Spy quilts or for something for a child where you can say, you know, can you find the truck? Can you find the four-leaf clover? Whatever. So this is created by Shelley Davies. Color Collage offers 6 stunning prints, one in each color of the rainbow. Each print is like an I Spy gone wild. They can draw you in for hours as you discover a multitude of curiosities in each. And we are showing you here the 7 original colors, plus the new rainbow color from Color Collage 2. That's the one I showed you a minute ago. And then we'll also have kits for the shadow boxes available soon when we get the patterns back in stock. So the kits are cut, we're just waiting on the patterns. There really is a lot of cool stuff in here. I did an I Spy quilt for my oldest child about 23 years ago, and it was actually really hard to find all of the novelty prints to create what I wanted in the quilt. And for these, you could just get a 1/4 yard of each and be all the way done. Oh, I love that blue, so bright. And then we also just got in this bolt. It's called Expressions Wide Back. This is a fun new backing by Patrick Lose for Northcott. And the design is called Night Fever in the Dancing Queen colorway. Love that. So this is a 108. It changes colors all up and down and throughout. And it would be the perfect backing for one of these guys. Now we do have a couple of new items in the shop I want to share with you. The first one is the Quick and Easy Block Tool. So this is a skill builder that teaches you blocks in 5 different sizes. So if, for example, you like this block, here are 5 different ways to make that block in different sizes, and then they give you some setting suggestions as well. So this is brand new for us. Look at that one. That one's so fun. So a great little tool to have, especially if you're just trying to come up with a quick and easy quilt, or maybe you want to do a quilt for charity and you just want to come up with something easy that doesn't require a pattern. Then we have the Ultimate Modern Quilt Block Collection, 113 designs for making beautiful and stylish quilts. And this has, oh, look at that. So pretty. Lots and lots of fun ideas and things to do. Let's see if we can find any more cool color pictures. So look at all those blocks up in the top. And then ways to set them. So another great resource to have in your quilting library if you need it. Now these guys are new to us, and this is really interesting. This is called scrap tape. This one is 5 inches wide. This one is 2.5 inches wide, and it is a wash away foundation. So if you are one of those people that keeps little salvages or little scraps, you can sew them together using this product as your foundation. And then once your top is finished, this will wash away. So super fun. You don't have to have it in there forever and ever, but it comes in both widths. So I think it's going to be a really interesting product, and I kind of want someone to buy it and give me a little so I can try it. One last thing, we do have a sale going on right now. This is our summer cleaning or our spring cleaning sale. It feels like summer around here, but it's still spring. Spring cleaning sale. So all of our fabric, including all the brand new things I just showed you, are 20% off. Sale fabric gets an extra 20% off. Panels 20% off, pre-cuts 20% off, and kits 20% off. So that runs all the way now through Sunday. And if you are an online shopper with us, you can use the code ENJOY20, ENJOY 20, all lowercase, no spaces, at the whatever discount code box, whatever that thing is called, to get that discount on online orders as well. So we thank you guys for supporting us and shopping with us and keeping the shop vibrant and successful. And we'll see you tomorrow back here with another video. Bye.